Making the case for the iPhone 5, literally. How do you design accessories for a new product without ever touching it or seeing it? We've got that story coming up next on CBS This Morning. Check it out. There are long lines at Apple stores around the world today as the iPhone 5 goes on sale. When Apple revealed the design of the new smartphone, companies that make Apple accessories started scrambling. In many cases, it was guesswork for them designing new products. And as Rebecca Jarvis reports, guessing wrong could be disastrous.
And this is iPhone 5.
When Apple announced the iPhone 5 last week, the design team at Florida-based iPhone case maker Marware was anxiously holed up in a conference room. Owner Edward Martin describes it as suspenseful.
We're watching the live blogs of the event, so we're, is it going to be this? Is it going to be that?
iPhone 5 is the thinnest phone we have ever made.
Even after the iPhone 5 is unveiled, only a select few, like CNET senior editor Scott Stein, get to see and touch the device before it ships to consumers. Accessory makers are no exception.
They don't know the final design until the starting gun, so you're guessing and you don't want to guess wrong, and then when you find out, everyone's scrambling and you have very few days to do it.
Sliding case, we can cover top and bottom.
Nearly a week after the announcement, the clock is ticking. The Marware team is hard at work in what they call the war room, tinkering with mock-ups of the actual cases and dispatching quality control inspectors to China, where the cases are made, and doing it all based on rumors, never having even touched an iPhone 5.
We have to wait in line just like everybody else.
With the sliding clip, you get as much as you can possibly ready before Apple releases their data or the device. We then, tweak what we have to tweak to make that design work with the new device.
Marware is one of many companies trying to grab a piece of the lucrative $20 billion a year smartphone accessory market. But it can be a dangerous and costly guessing game.
How do you follow up a hit product like the iPhone 4?
Last year, accessory makers struck out huge when Apple announced a different iPhone than what the market expected.
I know a lot of my competitors spent a lot of money, they made a lot of cases, and they had to all throw it away. So that's great.
This time, Marware's team guessed right. The iPhone 5 is essentially what they expected it to be, save for a few minor tweaks like the redesigned power connector and shape.
The way we solve that is...
Still, the pressure is on. The small company has seen record-breaking online orders so far, people assuming Marware got it right. But some say there might be an upside for those who take time to get it right.
They may wait a few extra months, but the idea is that you're going to pay that forward to be the premier product.
Yeah, it's going to be important. There's only so much people are willing to wait. And, when you have a brand new phone that's, the sexiest thing out there, you kind of want to protect it. We definitely need to get a patent on this, right?
Martin is still antsy and says profit-wise, the first few months are make or break. For CBS This Morning, Rebecca Jarvis, New York.
Okay, this is called in television land show and tell. This is my new iPhone 5, which I'm very proud of. This is my old one. You can see that this one is a little bit taller. I can also feel that it's much lighter. Here is the thing that we have been talking about. This is the cover. So you take this cover, you take this iPhone 5, and you put it in there, and voila, there you go. You have a cover for your new iPhone 5.